Things that you should know before you start your YouTube channel. Hi guys, my name is Jen and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to talk about things that you should know before you start your YouTube channel. Again, I always do random vlogs and I upload videos every second night, 7 in the evening, Philippine time. But today's video, it's going to be a different one. Kasi gusto kong mag-share sa mga kagaya kong small-time YouTubers na nag-uumpisa pa lang sa kanilang mga channel. So, hope this video will give you learnings, tips, kung ano mga kakailanganin mo to start your YouTube channel. Before we even start with our video for today, make sure you have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, click that notification bell para always kayo notified sa mga upcoming videos. So, are you ready? Let's get started. The first thing that you should know before you start your YouTube channel is to know your niche. Ano nga ba yung niche? Alam mo ba kung anong niche? Kasi ako hindi ko rin alam. Charot! Niche is yung focus ng channel mo. Ask yourself, what is my channel going to be about? Is it going to be about makeup tutorial, cooking videos, travel vlogs? Is it going to be music videos? Is it going to be about dancing, arts, and all that, etc. Random vlogs, which I do. Because knowing your niche is going to help you know your channel name. So it's really, really important that your channel name is something that your viewers can easily remember. Avoid. Alright guys? Avoid a very long channel name with numbers or special characters. Huwag nyo lang pahirapan yung mga viewers nyo na mag-search ng channel nyo sa search bar with special characters. Kasi diba, mawawalan sila ng gana guys pag masyadong mahaba. Mahirap talagang hanapin yung mga channel name na sobrang haba with special characters or even numbers. So simple and unique channel name is best. Next, consistency. Be consistent sa pag-a-upload ng mga videos, guys. You might want to come up with video ideas first or have a plan kung anong video yung gagawin nyo sa araw na yon. Because a lot of people, they all make one video and then won't have another one after weeks, after months, or even a year. Again, guys, it is really, really important to be consistent on your uploads. Dapat consistent tayo lagi. And I would suggest that you would have a specific day or time sa pag-a-upload. Like for example, me, I personally upload every second night and always 7 p.m. Pinas time or Philippine time. And try to stick on that. Huwag pabago-bago yung time, huwag pabago-bago yung oras. Time at saka oras pareho lang, diba? Huwag pa bago-bago yung araw. Kasi malilito yung mga viewers nyo. Halimbawa, ngayon, nag-i-expect sila na may upload ako and then I didn't have any upload. So, diba, malilito sila. Oh, pag nakasanayan na kasi nila na every ganun yung upload mo, tapos wala kang upload, edi malilito sila. Bakit, anong nangyari? Bakit walang upload si ganito, si ganyan? Oh. So, always be consistent and always stick to whatever you have started. Remember, YouTube is algorithm. That's why consistency is the key. It is really, really important. Next is make an outro or intro. That can be a clip of you walking, a slides of your photos, or whatever intro that you may have. Or even you just opening your vlog for that day is already an intro. Intros should not exceed 10 seconds, guys. Kasi kung mahaba na yung intro mo, puro na lang intro yung video mo, papanoorin pa ba ng mga viewers yan? Hindi. Hindi siya dapat mag-exceed ng 10 seconds. With your outro naman, guys, that can be you just closing your vlog for the day. And always make sure to thank your viewers for watching your video or for watching your vlog for that day. Like say, example, I always close my vlog like, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, blah, blah, blah. So, yeah, always make sure you thank your viewers for that day and for that specific vlog. Next, get your equipment. You don't have to buy expensive cameras or expensive setups straight away to start your YouTube channel. Hindi kailangan, guys. You can start with your phone if that's all you have at the moment. And if you don't have a budget for a good quality camera, you don't have to buy it straight away. You can also get a cheap small ring light. That can help you a lot, especially kung ang gamit mo lang iPhone. Phone usually, they don't really have a good quality video, they don't really produce good quality videos. But if you have a ring light, it can actually really help. So make sure you have invest on just a cheap one. Hindi naman kailangan mahal lahat, guys. So just a cheap one, ring light, kasi makakatulong talaga yun sa'yo. Lalo na kahit cellphone na yung gamit mo sa pagbablog. And just a tip, if you're using your phone to record your vlog or to record your video, make sure na hindi kayo nakatingin sa screen. Dapat doon kayo nakatingin sa lens. Like this one. This one is my screen right here. So, if you can see, guys, I'm not looking at you. Diba? Pero kung dito ako sa lens nakatingin, I'm looking at you straight away. I'm like looking at you spot on, di ba? Because that's a common mistake of most YouTubers. Nakatingin sila lagi sa screen instead of looking at the lens. And do not try to produce a crappy quality video, guys. Kasi yung mga tao, pag nakita nilang, halimbawa, maganda yung thumbnail mo, then they clicked on your video, and then they find out na crappy quality video yung na-produce mo, straight away, aalis yan sila sa video mo. Hindi na nila tatapusin yung video na yan. Hindi na nila babalikan yan. Kasi people don't like crappy videos. They are not going to stay. Tendency is exit straight away. And they're not going to stay to watch your whole video because, again, it's a crappy quality video. So try not to produce a crappy one, guys. Try to produce a quality video na talagang magugustuhan ng viewers mo. Kasi it doesn't matter how good your thumbnail is, it doesn't matter how good your title is, how good your content is, how good your description is. Kung crappy video yung na-produce mo, hindi talaga papanoorin ng mga viewers yan. Big help talaga pag meron kang ring light, especially kung phone lang yung gamit mo. Alright? Again, guys, you don't have to buy expensive cameras straight away kasi nag-i-start ka pa lang. But if you have money, then why not? Diba? It's a good investment. You can use that as well for photos or whatever. But if you don't have the budget, stick with your phone for the meanwhile until makabuild ka or makapag-ipon ka, because this sort of thing is actually really expensive. Kailangan mo talagang mag-invest. Kung gustong-gusto mo talaga siyang gawin, kailangan mo talaga mag-invest. Pero pag wala kang budget, then you don't have to buy expensive cameras or setups like these. Okay, so you can stick with your phone and you can just maybe invest with a small ring light na makakatulong sa quality ng video mo. Lalong-lalo na pag phone lang yung gamit mo. Next thing that you should know before you start your YouTube channel is to be prepared. To be prepared for nothing. Because YouTube, guys, hindi yan overnight success. Maybe you make your first video and uploaded it on YouTube and then have 0 views, 0 likes, 0 subscribers. That happens. I know it's tough. It's very tough and it's very sad, but do not discourage. We all started with 0 and no subscribers at all, with no views. That's how it is. That's how YouTube works. You are not going to get 10,000 views, 10,000 subscribers, 10,000 likes straight away on your first YouTube video. It doesn't happen and it doesn't work that way. Unless artista ka na or sikat ka na talaga. Kasi kahit ano pang video na i-upload mo, papanoorin talaga kasi sikat ka na eh, di ba? That's the only disadvantage sa ating mga small YouTubers, kasi hindi tayo kilala. Hindi pa tayo na de-discover kasi. Kaya patience lang talaga, guys, patience and consistency, of course. Be consistent with your uploads, be creative, ganun. It's tough, but yeah, you have to understand that YouTube community is a huge platform. Thousands of users and new partners and new users joining every minute of every day. Hindi lang ikaw. Hindi ka lang nag-iisa. And nobody knows your existence yet. But that's why you have to upload and keep going. Keep making good quality videos. Good content na alam mong makakapag-entertain sa mga viewers mo, makakatulong sa mga viewers mo, sa mga subscribers mo. And then eventually, makikilala ka. You will start gaining more viewers, you will start gaining more subscribers, and you will start gaining recognition. But remember, your success on whatever you do depends on you. And success does not happen overnight. It doesn't happen that way. And then, do not compare yourself or your YouTube journey to somebody else's journey. Kasi, bawat isa sa atin different yung mga pinagdaanan. Because some people may have gained 20,000 subscribers within a week, but you have gained 5,000 subscribers in a year, within a year. So that's actually a huge difference, guys. So do not compare yourself to somebody else's YouTube journey. Remember, kung para sa'yo, mapapasayo. What is meant for you will be yours in perfect time. So you just have to wait and be consistent, but prepare yourself for nothing. And do not expect that your video, your channel will blow up overnight. It doesn't work that way. And another thing, the most important thing that you should know before you start your YouTube channel is to learn how to edit your videos. My goodness, people! Learn how to edit your own videos. Kailangan mo matutunan how to edit your own videos in order for you to make YouTube videos. My goodness sake. Editing is the key part of YouTube process. If you don't know how to edit your videos, then mag-search ka ng mga tutorials on how to edit your videos using iMovie, using whatever apps that you may have there. If you're using a laptop or if you're using a MacBook Pro or whatever you have, whatever gadget you have, learn how to edit, guys. Learn how to edit because doon tayo nakikilala. The way you edit your videos is also a representation of yourself, guys. I used to use iMovie to edit my videos, but then I invested on an editing software na gamit ko na siya ngayon. Andyan sa background. I'm using Filmora 9, but if you don't have a MacBook or any sort of a high-end computers, you don't have to buy straight away. Kung meron kang phone and meron namang available na mga apps on app stores or Google apps or whatever you may call that, kung ano mang gamit mong phone, meron mga available na free video editing apps sa App Store. Pwedeng-pwede mong gamitin to start your YouTube channel. I would not suggest na gamitin nyo yung mga apps na may watermarks kasi it just doesn't look professional. If you have a way to remove the watermarks, guys, it would be very, very helpful. Your video will come up very good because wala nga siyang watermark. Kasi if you have watermarks on your videos, it just doesn't look very professional. And one thing, guys, make sure yung thumbnail nyo is also good quality, attractive enough na maka-attract ng mga viewers para panoorin yung video nyo. And remember, kailangan yung thumbnail mo ay link din dun sa title mo and representing your videos, your content. Kasi kung yung thumbnail mo is iba and then yung content ng video mo is iba, anong labas niya, 'di ba? Parang nakaka-confuse naman 'yon. Iba yung title mo tapos iba yung content mo. So that is what we call clickbait. So mag-ingat din tayo dun, guys, kasi most people, they tend to make glamorous thumbnail, then yung ending pala ay yung kanilang content is not that good. So just make sure na link yung tatlo na yon: title, thumbnail, then your content. And lastly, guys, just enjoy your YouTube journey. Enjoy whatever you do. Mag-enjoy lang kayo sa paggagawa ng vlog, sa pagba-vlog, sa pag-i-edit. Kasi this YouTube process is actually, masakit sa ulo. Minsan mapupuyat ka sa pag-i-edit. Pinili mo kasing maging vlogger, maging YouTuber. Kaya panindigan mo, i-enjoy mo. And make sure yung mga bawat video ay may makukuha yung viewers nyo. Like kahit konting information lang dyan. Make sure your video is very helpful to others. Make sure that your video is good quality. Content na talagang tatatak sa mga viewers mo. Enjoy nyo lang yung ginagawa nyo, yung pag-i-edit, pagba-vlog. Just be natural as well. Be yourself. At wag mong isipin yung $sign agad. Yung kikitain sa pag-vlog, yung kikitain sa YouTube. Kasi kung pera or $sign ang motivation mo, then YouTube is not for you. Kasi madidisappoint ka lang, guys. Madidisappoint lang kayo, guys. The start is tough, pero pag nag-e-enjoy ka lang, eventually makikilala ka, mare-recognize ka ng viewers, mare-recognize ka ni YouTube, mare-recommend yung content mo sa algorithm, and madidiscover ka. One day, you will wake up na, ay, malaki na pala yung channel ko. Yun. So just enjoy it, guys. Enjoy the process. So I hope, guys, this video has been helpful for you, lalong-lalo na sa mga small YouTubers na kagaya ko na nag-uumpisa pa lang sa kanilang mga YouTube careers. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell para always kayong notified sa mga upcoming videos. And give this video a big thumbs up if this was very helpful to you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Maraming salamat. See you on my next vlog.